3 points need to be paid attention to on the lubrication of line ball press. The gear oil in the open gear box of the lifetime line ball press should be immersed in the gear more than 60 mm. Second line ball press roller bearing is open once every 3 months to replace the butter or oil with the butter gun. 3 quick line ball press reduce the plus gear oil at the amount of immersed gear 60 mm. Strict precautions for quick line ball press. 1. Hard objects such as iron and stone are strictly prohibited from entering the machine. 2. The granularity of the material to be processed should be ensured below 3 mm. Otherwise, it will affect the molding and reduce the service life of the machine. 3. Line ball press is strictly prohibited to start with heavy load, and non-technical personnel are strictly prohibited to disassemble and adjust the equipment randomly. 4. Quick line ball press regular maintenance, observation reducer, and bearing seat is lack of oil.